Hi, welcome to the Organization Root Administrator Clients video session. Staffing organizations place their resources in the projects of their clients directly. In WFMA, staffing organizations deal with their direct clients and maintain required project data. As part of client management, staffing organization root administrators manage their respective clients' related details. As part of client details, staffing organization root administrators manage client contracts, manage client projects, view and update client details, deactivate clients, delete clients. For deploying resources in client projects and client contracts have to be declared first. Clients is a sub-menu item under Client Management menu item. Click on Clients sub-menu item to get to the user interface for managing client-related details. As you see, these clients are already created for the staffing organization. Click on the Add button to get to the user interface for creating a new client record. There are some important fields in creating a client organization. Timesheet frequency. A client may have a weekly timesheet system, or a fortnightly timesheet system, or a monthly timesheet system. Accordingly, the radio button is selected. Notice that upon selecting fortnightly or monthly timesheet frequency, week start date gets disabled. Because for fortnightly or monthly timesheet frequency, week start day field is irrelevant. OT threshold hours. OT threshold hours means beyond how many hours of regular working a client organization considers overtime hours. Each client organization has an overtime norm. According to the client organization's norm, the OT threshold hours is set here. Tax type. Staffing organization root administrators set various tax types applicable to their staffing organizations. Tax rate related to the clients is factored in the calculation of the invoices for the clients. While creating a client organization, staffing root administrator sets the appropriate tax type for its clients here. Payment threshold days. Staffing organization root administrator sets a value of this parameter, discussing with the client. WFMA keeps track of all the unpaid invoices with respect to the payment threshold days and the current date. If the client does not pay within the payment threshold days, WFMA highlights the invoice record with red color, and WFMA keeps sending out daily automatic email to the client administrator reminding of releasing the payment, till the payment is done by the client. Enter details of the client organization going to be created. Notice that only upon filling in all the mandatory fields, the Submit button gets activated. The record is saved by clicking the Submit button. Upon saving the record, the client contacts person becomes the client root administrator for the client organization, and WFMA sends out an automatic email at the client contact email with the login credentials. Click on the View link of an existing client to see the details of the client organization. Click on the Update link of an existing client to get to the user interface for updating the details of the client organization. Notice certain fields, which the staffing organization root administrator cannot edit. These can be edited by the respective client administrator through his portal. Click on Update button to update any changes made. Staffing organization root administrator can deactivate an active client through Deactivate action. On the other side, a deactivated client can be reactivated by staffing organization root administrator. Upon deactivation action, WFMA needs to check lots of data integrity for the subject client. Click on the Deactivate link to see a dialog box for confirming deactivation. As the note says, if the client organization is deactivated, no users of the organization will be able to log in, even if they have valid login credentials. However, upon reactivation, the client organization users will be able to function normally. We have separate video sessions on client projects and client contracts. Thank you. See you in the next video.